Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. The Pulse Abarth has an automatic transmission with up to 6 gears and is equipped with a turbo 270 engine with a power of 185 horsepower and torque of 270 Nm with a new calibration for maximum performance, simply being the fastest compact SUV from Brazil. And it's no wonder, as it is capable of reaching 100 km/h in 7.6 seconds, and its top speed is 215 km/h. Its power-to-weight ratio is 6.9 kg/horsepower. The SUV has 3 available driving modes: normal with a focus on sportness and comfort, manual bringing versatility and personality, and a poison, exclusive to the brand, with a quick and poisonous response and a much more fun to drive. Poison mode can be active via a dedicated button on the steering wheel. It's surprised with the steering load, which allows for a firmer ride with a more pronounced progression at higher speed. There is also a dynamic torque factoring, a system that distributes torque to the wheels during curves, making the vehicle more provocative and insinuating in the maneuvers. It also has a super sporty gearbox calibration with a faster change and automatic reduction of gear under braking to help the engine braking and anticipate the engagements of the most appropriate gear to resume acceleration. Traction and stability control become less intrusive, offering even sportier driving. The model is available in the color Banchisa White, Stratro Grey, Monte Carlo Red, and a Volcano Black, with external detail in red. The option in red Monte Carlo have the tile in a gray or black.